Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and from today we are starting a series on Atlas.ti. Atlas.ti is a software used for qualitative data analysis. It helps researchers to manage, analyze, and visualize large amounts of qualitative data such as text, audio, video, and images. The interface of Atlas.ti is designed to provide a user friendly environment for organizing and analyzing the qualitative data. So first of all, we will understand how to install. So for this, we will go in Google, write on my.atlas.ti.com, click on the first link. A window will appear. You will have to sign up in this page. Please furnish all your details with correct email ID. After finishing all your details, press continue. The page will appear. Here, you will have to activate a license. Just click on activate and the trial version, the key for the trial version will appear here. You'll have to just press activate. Now in the license management, you will get the option of installation. Depending upon your operating system, that is either Macintosh or Windows, you'll have to download the exe file. After running this exe file, which will be in your download folders, you will get this type of screen. So your installation process has been initiated. Press next. Click on I accept the agreement, press next, specify the destination folder. So the installation process will be initiated. And in last, you will get the welcome screen. On the desktop, an icon will appear, right click on it and press open. So you will get the interface of Atlas.ti. The new project can be created from here and the old projects can be imported from import the project tab. We can give the name to the new project. Let's say the name we have given is demo and press create. Atlas.ti understands the need of the time and allows many users to work on same project through the cloud collaboration. So in any project, click on these three dots and click on upload to cloud. So many users will be able to work simultaneously on the same project. So this was all about installation of Atlas.ti software. For more videos on Atlas.ti, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I uploaded many videos on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also join me on different social medias, link given in the description box.